Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing just demonstrating a micro interaction in Figma. So I've already prepared my icon from iconify and feather icons and also put them in a frame. So let's change the color of this frame. Let's draw another frame on top. That's for the icon. Excuse me. So the next thing is to add fill to it and start arranging our icons on top and make sure everything is aligned together. So let's make sure everything is aligned on top of the frame. So that's what we'll be doing now. So let's add vertical spacing and horizontal spacing. So you can also use alternate V to align these together. You can see they are not all aligned, so let's make sure they are aligned first, then control alternate V. You see they are on the same line now, so let's make sure they are the middle for our frame. Very good, we have achieved that already. So let's duplicate these frames into 4. I think I duplicated it into 5. We'll still delete the last frame there. So let's just continue what you're doing. We'll still come back to that and delete the last frame. Yeah. So let's reduce the opacity of some of these icons to 50. Very good. So in the second frame, let's change the color of the like button to the color of the frame, and also we'll reduce the opacity of the color. Yes, let's reduce the opacity of the color and also make the corner radius 30. Very good. So we'll repeat this process in now other frames, so stay with me, follow what I'm doing. So let's reduce the opacity of some of the buttons on this frame. Very good. So we just repeat the same process in other frame. So design along with me the search button now. Let's use a color picker too. Same thing, the corner radius to be 30. Excuse me. So let's change the contact icon too. And the corner radius 30. So the same thing we did in all. 30. So let's delete the last frame there. Let's delete the last frame there. Very good. So let's change the name of this frame. You notice that we have not reduced the opacity of some of the buttons. So maybe after prototyping we will do that. But let's just do this. Let's just change the name. You can change the name on whatever you want. So don't mind me. Any name can go. think that's okay. Don't mind me, I just want some of the names to be the first letter to be in capital letter. That's what I'm doing. So very good. Very good. So I think we are good to go. Let's prototype. After prototyping, we'll reduce the opacity of some of our icons. So we'll still do home the same thing. We forgot to do that, so that's what I'm trying to do. The corner radius to be 30. Very good. So let's go straight to prototyping. No. No, that's not what we need. We have to remove it. It should be from the button, not from the frame. Let's remove it. Yeah, click on the frame, on the button, sorry. Yes, to the other one. Should be in smart animation. Then ease out. Very good. So we'll repeat the same process in all of them. Contact button. Very good. The same process. So you can decide to prototype everything in the frame. If you have the time to do that. Just this is an illustration to achieve what we want. So the same thing. So the last one will go to home. The same thing. The last one will go to home. Very good. Very good. So let's bring it to the middle. Very good. So let's as I said before, let's reduce the opacity of some of our buttons. Let's make it 50. So we'll do the same in other frame that we have not done before we can present our so let's do that. $50. Very good. So we are good to go now. So we can now click on presentation to see what you have achieved already. Very good. So let's click on the presentation. Let's wait for it to load. Excuse me. Very good. Having a slow network. So it's loading. I'm still here. Let's allow it to load. Very good. So it's still loading, that's why it's still doing like this. So you can see if you click on this, click on search button, you see it. So let's make it in full screen first. Try to make it in full screen. Very good. Let's click on our home. So it's still loading. Do you see how it works? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's repeat. Very good. Very good. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more videos. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.